Good morning, students. This is the 7th standard GK. Now I am going to teach you the page number. Note down the page number 21. Here page number 20 also I told you as a homework. I will say the answer, you check it in your notebook and then you can learn from the page number 21. 23. Okay, page number 22, all listen. Here, look at the list of the cities from across the world. Write each city under the correct country. Here, so many names of the cities have been given here. So, we have to read the first one. First one, the USA has been given. Here in this, so many cities has been, we have to select the cities. The first one is Lincoln, Detroit, New Orleans. These are all the cities of USA. What is USA? United States of America. Okay, see the second one, Brazil. The names of the cities are Rio de Janeiro, San Paulo, Curitiba. Okay, then come to the Germany. The cities' names are Munich, Stuttgart, Hamburg. And then South Africa. The cities of the South Africa are Johannesburg, Kimberley, Bloemfontein. And then cities of the Russia are Volgograd, Sochi, Kerch. And then the cities of Australia are Brisbane, Darwin, Perth. And come to the page number 23. You have to choose the correct answer. So you have to tick the correct answer. Which countries does the Durand line separate? That is Pakistan, China, or India, Pakistan, India, China, Afghanistan, Pakistan. It is given. The correct answer is Afghanistan and Pakistan because we have land-way service also in between the Afghanistan and Pakistan. Come to the second one. Shihab Ghanim was the first poet from the Arab world to receive the Tagore Peace Prize. Which country is he from? From which country he belongs to? They are asking. That is the meaning of this question. The person Shihab Ghanim belongs to UAE, United Arab Emirates. Okay. United Arab Emirates means Dubai. Understood? Now see the third one. Which of these European countries share a border? Which one sharing one border? Portugal, Switzerland, Netherlands, France, Hungary, Austria, Belgium, Finland. The correct answer is Hungary and Austria. Hungary and Austria have the same border. They are sharing one same border with each other. Okay. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain at the start of the Second World War? At the time of the Second World War, who was the Prime Minister at the time? The correct answer is Neville Chamberlain. Okay. Now come to the fill in the blanks. The first one, the largest landlocked country in the world is Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is one of the country of Russia. Okay. The Strait of Gibraltar connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea. Third one, Mali, a country in Africa, was previously called the Sudanese Republic. Sudanese Republic is now known as the Mali. Nepal is the only country in the world to have the non-rectangular flag. Okay, then come to the true or false. France has the most time zones in the world. The answer is true. Second one, South America has the maximum number of the countries in the world. False. New York City in the USA is also known as the Big Apple. True. The 38th parallel separates North Korea from South Korea. Yeah, the answer is true. Come to the next page. Here we have, in this page number 24, we have complete the words with the help of the given clues. The first one, Deficiency of vitamin C in the body causes the disease. S dash dash R dash dash is given. The correct answer is scurvy. The spelling is scurvy, scurvy. The second one, in this procedure, which originated in China, the doctor insert very thin needles into the patient's skin at specific points. The answer is acupuncture. See the spelling ACUPUNCTURE. The third one, an inflammation of the brain due to viral infection. Encephalitis. Okay, see the spelling and then write. This is a procedure where a serum or medical preparation is introduced into the body to produce immunity to the specific diseases. The answer is vaccination. And then red bumps on the skin caused by an allergic reaction to a medicine or food. The answer is hives. A form of treatment for pain and disease in which pressure is applied to certain points on the body. The answer is acupressure. Okay, now here see the tick the correct answer. How is mental illness best treated? Through the counseling and medication. Second one, many children suffer from ADD. What is its full form? What is ADD? Attention deficit disorder. Okay. Attention deficit disorder means they don't have any concentration at all. What is the full form of OCD? That is obsessive compulsive disorder. Okay. Which of these reduces depression and anxiety? Doing yoga and exercises reduces anxiety. Okay. See here the next page, page number 25. Here, the human body is a very complex machine. How much do you know about it? We have to read from here. There are 206 bones in an adult body. There are 300 bones in a baby's body. The hardest substances in the human body is the enamel. Where is the enamel? Enamel is present in the outer layer of the teeth. There are two types of light sensitive cells in the eyes, rods and cones. Okay. The only part in the body that does not get any blood supply is the cornea, because it is the lens portion. Here the space between the eyebrows is called the glabella. Villi are small finger-like projections in the small intestine. The palms of our hands don't have any hair. They are glabrous. Okay, then the scientific name of the thumb is pollex. The Babinski reflex occurs in infants. It involves the foot. Bile secreted by the liver gets stored in the gallbladder. The enzyme called amylase present in our saliva helps us digest our food. The organ in the digestive system that produces insulin is called the pancreas. A fibrous tissue that connects bone to other bone is called the ligament. The cervical vertebrae lie in the neck region. Till page number 25 I have completed. Now we will see in the next class. Thank you, children.